There are tons of pistol stabilizers and conversion kits on the market, but not like this one. Yesterday, I received my Apex Series carbine conversion kit from Meta Tactical, the world's first pistol to rifle bullpup style conversion kit. Yeah, you heard me. Pistol to rifle bullpup style conversion kit. Now, if you own a Glock, Smith & Wesson, or a Polymer 80, you're in luck because Meta Tactical produces carbine kits for those manufacturers, with possible future kits to be released for SIG and Springfield Armory. So keep your eyes out for those. My Apex Glock kit included the chassis, a 16-inch drop-in barrel, a muzzle device, a thread protector for when said muzzle device is not in use, tools to remove it, and a limited edition Meta Tactical soft-sided carrying case, which I will use while I'm at the range today. So, this kit also comes in black, well, as you can see, gray, OD green, and tan. I went with black because it's the fastest shipping, but also I'm going to name her Ebony. A funny thing happened while I was trying to sneak Ebony into the house. My wife caught me. Well, as she played around with her for a while, she got less mad at me, and she realized she liked her. Well, why you say that? Ah, well, Ebony's kind of light. With this Spitfire Prism scope, a 17 round magazine, and a Glock 45, well, Ebony's just a little bit over 6 pounds. That's right, you heard me. This Apex kit, with all that, is just a little bit over 6 pounds. And when the Apex kit is extended, 26 inches, and when it's collapsed, it's 23.375 inches. On top, you have a 35 slot Picatinny rail that is marked, so when you swap out your optics, as long as you remember where you're removing them from, you're good to go. You can put them right back into place. You have a generous ejection port here with a shell deflector. Actually, it's quite massive. They made sure if you have any malfunctions that you'll be able to diagnose and clear those with relative ease. Your charging handle is also ambidextrous. You have a trigger linkage system here, which is buttery smooth. So you will retain your trigger pull, your brake weights, and your reset from whatever firearm you use here. So if you use the aftermarket modifications on your firearm, you'll be good to go. Or if you go with a stock trigger, you'll be just fine. The safety is ambidextrous. I will probably color this so it'll be easy to tell, or you'll have visual markings. Let's see here. I really wish there were some QD ports that were built into it, but you do have M-LOK, so you could add them up front, but I really need something back here as well. I guess I'll figure that out at some point in time. Other things I would like to see, maybe some flip-up sights built into the Picatinny rail, or some futuristic stuff, like maybe a built-in light that's easily rechargeable, like something from Olight or something like that. Um, let's see here. My barrel. This 16-inch barrel is a chromoly barrel with a black nitrate finish and polygonal rifling and a 1 in 10 twist. 1 in 10 twist. God. I really wish they actually made a suppressor ready barrel or one that had a suppressor integrated into it. I would pay extra and wait for that. Um, as for cleaning this kit, Meta Tactical recommends that you either use WD 40 or dish soap. Don't use anything caustic or any acidic products, or you may harm your kit. I did pay for this with my own money, so around $599. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I saw this product at SHOT Show and I really wanted it. Now, when I ordered my Glock Apex Series kit, that was April 23. My Apex Series kit for Glock was ordered around April 23rd. It arrived on my doorstep by April 28th. Now, I don't know about you, but that's freakishly fast. I also had contacted the company before that just to see how things were going, and I actually spoke with a live person. Big ups to Dennis because he reassured me that my product was on the way, and if I had any issues, hey, to give him a call back. That's kind of shocking in today's age to actually speak to a real person and they actually know what's going on. Didn't put me on hold or anything. Looked me up right then and there. They do offer military, law enforcement, and first responder discounts. Even though I'm a veteran, I did not take part in that. I just went ahead and ordered it straight out. Um, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer.